Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023. After 8.5 months, the shipment of wheat from Russia reached Chittagong port.
A feature on soybean meal fermentation.
An incredible history of 170 years.
Flour milling training distance learning program, as if history repeats itself.
Starting ceremony of the largest oils eds crushing line of Louis Dreyfus Asia Pacific built by Mayand.
Prime Minister awarded Bangabandhu National Agriculture Award 1425 and 1426.
Think paddy seed demand rising in Rangpur region, experts.
FAO food price index drops for the 6th consecutive month.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.